In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to loop videos in Google Slides. This is a really useful feature if you want your presentations to run smoothly without having to manually restart videos. First, open Google Slides in your web browser and sign into your Google account. From the home page, you can either select an existing presentation or click Blank Presentation to start a new one. If you're creating a new slide deck, you'll see a single blank slide ready for you to work on. Once your presentation is open, go to the top toolbar and click View, then select Slideshow. This switches your presentation into full screen mode, which is perfect for playing videos seamlessly during your presentation. Next, move your cursor to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the three dots, also called More Options. In the menu that appears, you'll find the Loop or Autoplay option. Make sure to select Loop, which ensures your videos automatically replay once they finish. This is especially handy for background videos, promotional slides, or any content that needs to repeat. A quick tip: before your live presentation, preview your slideshow to confirm everything loops as expected. If the video pauses or doesn't loop, double check that the loop option is enabled. You can also adjust the timing and slide transitions to make the playback even smoother. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can effortlessly loop videos in Google Slides, making your presentations more engaging, dynamic, and professional. This feature is perfect for classrooms, business meetings, or any interactive session where you want your content to keep running without interruptions. Thanks for watching. Try it out in your next presentation and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to make your slides stand out. In today's